Today, we will step into the future with artificial intelligence, or AI, to see how you can streamline your family history writing with ChatGPT. The link to chatgpt.com is in the description. What are we doing today? Well, first, we're going to provide all ancestry details and facts, or the raw ingredients, so that ChatGPT can make a meal using our ingredients and its vast collection of recipes and cooking knowledge. Open Word or a similar program to collect all your raw ingredients. You can even use a new email that you won't be sending. Open your new blank text document first. Which ancestor will you use that you've done some extra research on? For me, it's James Ballou V. He was born in 1788. I have a few extra facts I researched, but no complete picture of who he is. Who is your ancestor? Decide now. As you can see, I use Ancestry to find all my raw ingredients or ancestry details. Ancestry has been providing AI hints, like potential people, since I can remember. It also uses AI handwriting recognition to transcribe records, to help merge duplicates, to find relatives, and it provides us with AI-written mini biographies right in our tree. Like from Life Story. Copy and paste all your life story events into your text document, including other AI-written paragraphs. Copy and paste all your facts into your text document, including notes and comments, descriptions in facts, and stories in your media. Ask Ancestry AI recently popped up on a census screen. When I click the question link, a side panel opens with a written synopsis of what the record says. Copy and paste that too. Before we can use ChatGPT to make the meal, we collect the raw ingredients. Collect all the raw ingredients, your ancestor details, that you can find and paste them in a new text document or email. Although AI has been around for 50 years, the revolution today was fanned by the flame of ChatGPT. An AI chatbot is like a help desk that can solve a technical problem. ChatGPT can help you solve virtually any kind of problem, like you do with Google for things on the web like recipes. Unlike Google, ChatGPT doesn't just give you the recipe, it makes the meal, or generate far more outputs like essays and personal letters. It can critique your writing or write the story for you. It can condense findings from its entire memory bank to a simple chart. Did I mention that, like Google, it's free? Unlike Google, the information does not come from only websites, but also books. In fact, the latest version of ChatGPT ranks where I ranked when taking the graduate school entrance exams. After a lifetime of reading books, ChatGPT gained the same knowledge in only 6 months. This is a free service for anyone, so go to chatgpt.com and sign up or log in. Read the warnings and tips like don't share sensitive information, and check your facts because ChatGPT may give you inaccurate information. Get used to hearing that about AI. Do you know what it's called when AI makes up stuff? Hallucinations, which is pretty funny. Something new is Explore GPTs with a lot of help for code writers, Excel users, and the like. But you might want to come back for the writing help options like Write For Me and Humanize AI. Once you log in, you can play by using the suggestions. Or like today, we're ready to take her for a test drive. So we will type a prompt into the message box, but not yet, because there's not a lot of instruction on the screen. The first prompt I entered was a statement about my obscure grandfather. The response was predictably nothing. Then I asked how to use AI for storytelling and got some good answers. Like number 6, blend AI content with human creativity. While AI can assist in generating content, remember that human creativity and intervention are crucial for crafting a compelling story. It reminds us to use the AI-generated content as a foundation to build upon with your own ideas. Maybe soon we can really chat with it. But what's the best way to interact with ChatGPT today? By writing the question or prompt in a specific order, like role, goal, text, task, flask, end. Steve Little, AI director at the National Genealogical Society, came up with this. Role. You are an expert genealogist and experienced writer. You're telling the computer what it is. This isn't you, but instructions that you are giving to the computer. I find it helps to think of the tool as a robot or person, like Robbie here. Goal. Your goal, Robbie's goal, is to transform the text into a short narrative. Text. Find the text below the instructions. Task. Extract genealogical details like complete date into an interesting story. All of those words you use to describe it can change for a completely different version. And flask. Format your response in a serious or playful or funny or scholarly tone and display it for easy copy and paste. You decide the tone based on how you write. So you paste that prompt into the message box, followed by all the facts you are supplying to turn dull facts from your database into an interesting story. And AI responds with a nicely written and somewhat interesting story that I can now embellish as I want. I asked for a playful tone, and it starts, "Once upon a time in the bustling town of Richmond, New Hampshire, back in 1788, James Ballou made his grand entrance into the world." I toned it down by changing playful to serious and added the bit about complete date. Now it starts, "James Ballou came into the world on March 15th, 1788, in the quaint town of Richmond, New Hampshire, born to Mehatabel Ingalls, age 23, and James Ballou, age 26. Enter your crafted prompt, role, goal, text, task, flask, end, followed by your ancestry details. And have fun!